Hi, it's Elizabeth from Tyne Valley Motorhomes, and today we'll be showing you how to use your Thule awning. So first thing you want to do is get your awning handle and then align it to your vehicle, and use your handles to twist and bring the awning out. So you want to bring it out as far as you can so you can reach the inside of the awning. And then to drop your legs down, you just want to push the leg in and then slowly bring it out. And then it'll slide down. And then what you want to do is bring it out to a certain length. And then on the inside here, you just pull this lever up. And then it will stay. You can do the same with the other one. You want to push the leg in, pop it out, slide it down, and then extend the leg. Bring the lever up, and then what you want to do is keep winding the awning out. As you're winding it out, you want to keep bringing the legs further and further out until it reaches the end, and then you can leave the legs in place. You want to have one slightly higher than the other, just in case it rains, any water will slide off. You can also put your feet pegs in just to keep the legs sturdy when you're on grass. If you're on gravel, you'll just have to leave them as they are. And then once you finish using your awning, you then want to slowly wind it back in and again bring the legs back in. And then at a certain point when you can reach, you want to then pull the lever back down, and then to put your leg back in, bring it back up to its original place. And then what you want to do is make sure that your foot is pointing to the outside of your awning. Push it in, and then it just pops in behind the plastic holder. Do the same with both legs. So they're secured, and then you can wind the awning the rest of the way in, and then it's ready for travel again.